With the new version of our quotation tools in the online business suite, you can easily receive offers from Hapag-Lloyd with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. In the first step, go to New Quote in the navigation of the online business suite. Here, enter your routing details with a start and end location. In addition, you can select whether you want to have the container delivered to your door or collect it from the terminal yourself. By default, the validity date is set to the date of the current search, but you can modify and set it to another date within the next 6 weeks. The container type is set to 40-foot general purpose high cube by default, but you can select the desired container type from the drop-down list. The required container quantity, weight per container, and the weight unit can be adjusted here. To see alternative container sizes such as 20-foot, 40-foot, or 40-foot high cube containers, check the box Include Alternative Container Sizes. Currently, this will redirect you to the previous version of our quotation tool. To get a dangerous goods offer, you can also select the IMO class or insert the UN number for the request. Lastly, the commodity can be chosen from the drop-down. Then click on Search. The next step is the offer selection with an offer comparison for our different products with their respective price breakdown and main characteristics. The carousel at the top displays available departures in the upcoming weeks for the requested routing and provides an overview about the price development. Offers featuring the earliest departures or lowest costs are indicated by icons, helping you choose the right offer for your needs. In the product cards, you can see the ocean freight, the validity, the conditions, the price breakdown, and remarks. In the price breakdown, you get full transparency about the applicable surcharges and more details for the offer. Under Remarks and Info, you can also see remarks about MFR values, our definition of FAK commodities, quick links to local charges, and detention and demurrage charges. Now let's select an offer. We will start with Quick Quotes. The selection of the offer advances the sidebar of the screen. Here, you will see information about the validity of the offer, the estimated total price for the search criteria, and a split of surcharges. Again, you can take a look at the price breakdown. Within the price breakdown, you can also print your offer. It is important to mention that this is a non-binding document, as the official quotation is created at the end of the process. If you are happy with your selection, click on Next to continue. On this screen, all available additional services for the selected offer are displayed. Here, you can directly add them to your offer. In this case, Ship Green and Live Position are available. Benefits and more information about the additional services are accessible too. Click Add to add your selection to your offer. As you can see, your selection is added to the sidebar, including its respective price. Click Next to move to the last step. On this screen, you can review your selection and again see details such as the price breakdown and the estimated total price per container. If you decide against an additional service, you can remove it from your offer. Confirm the terms and conditions of our offer and finally receive your offer by clicking on Get Quote. You will see that your official quotation number has been generated. You can download a PDF of your offer, have it sent to you via email, or book immediately. Let's go back to the selection of the product. This time, we select Quick Quote Spot. The process is mostly the same as with Quick Quotes. You can see your information about the vessels and services in the sidebar, and you also have the opportunity to add additional services on the next screen. However, this time, you can directly proceed with the booking by clicking Next. This redirects you to our web booking application, where you can insert the remaining details to submit a booking request. Only once the booking request is submitted, you will receive the confirmation via email. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For any questions or feedback, feel free to contact your local Hapag-Lloyd representative.